Akiaria hindi ya guthurima ceceni ya guthuthuria agendi aria maraingira guku bururi-ini kugera muhaka wa Kenya na bururi wa Uganda tauni ya Busia, mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya ugima wa mwiri Mary Muthoni augite ministry ya ugima wa mwiri ni thiete na mbere na kwagirithia na kugacirithia njira cia kuhitana na murimu uyu ndukaingire guku bururi-ini uria wagagitie muingi mabururi-ini ma Uganda na DRC Congo.
From the national government coming all to the county government, we have been able to enhance our surveillance. So our surveillance teams are working day and night to ensure that we can pick on spots or areas for response.
Hamwe na njira iria thirikari irahuthira ni kugacirithia mihango ya guthima agendi aria maraingira guku bururi-ini kuma mabururi-ini macio na aria mangikorwo makuruhanite na arwaru a Ebola, makiria matereba aturera kuria makiria ma matereba 300 maingira guku bururi-ini kuma Uganda na DRC o muthenya.
Also asking the truck drivers, please, when you get to Malaba border, ensure that you are also screened properly. Ensure that if you have signs and symptoms of Ebola, you go to the nearest facility for further assessment. Ensure that if you get unwell, do not run to the chemist to buy yourself drugs. Please go to the hospital so that you can be prescribed for.
As you know, we have a health crisis in the region, that is the Ebola virus. What we have done as a nation, working with all our officers at our points of entry and exit, is to ensure that there is adequate preparedness to be able to handle and deal with any case as and when it arises.
Kuringana na Muthoni, andu 59 ni marikitie guthimwo magikwirwo mari na dalili cia Ebola, no gutirio no mwonyitekanite na murimu uyu. O kahinda-ini kau Muthoni ni oritie muingi witheme na ndeto cia muhuhu iria iratheremio ikuruhanite na murimu wa Ebola, guku agiteterithia ministry ya ugima wa mwiri ni handite wega kung'ethanira na murimu uyu ndugakinye guku bururi-ini. Oho ni oritie muingi ugacirithia ikiro cia utheru kuona murimu uyu theremaga kugerera mundu kuhutania na mundu kana mwiri wa mundu ungikorwo arari murwaru.
As at today we have 59 suspected cases that we have taken their samples to the lab, and none of them is positive. All of them are negative. And we are praying that in Kenya, we will not have any positive case as we continue.
Together with the Ministry of Health, we have isolation facilities, including in Taita Taveta County, where if we were to have any case, then it will be dealt with in that particular manner.
Kuringana na ndumiriri erekereirio ni ministry ya ugima wa mwiri, nginyanagia riu agendi 80,000 nio mathurimitwo guku andu 3,969 magithurimwo kwa ihinda ria mathaa 24 mahituku, guku ithimi ingi cia andu 56 igitabanirio uthuthuria makiria kuona ni merigite gucera mabururi-ini ma Uganda na DRC Congo. Oho thirikari ni igite cemba arigitani 347 guthaitira murimu uyu ugituthuka guku bururi-ini na makiria marigitani 1,759 kuma thirikari-ini nene na thirikari-ini cia county, nao ni mathomithitio njira cia kuhitana na king'uki giki. O thirikari ni yamurite laboratories 4 guku bururi-ini iria ciguthuthuria ithimi cia murimu uyu, na nicio National Public Health Laboratory, KEMRI Laboratory Nairobi, KEMRI ya Kisumu na undu umwe na laboratory ya ihinda iria higuritwo muhaka-ini wa Kenya na Uganda tauni-ini ya Busia. Maya mokite riri thirikari ithiete na mbere gukirirwo ni muingi na nyiti itemi ngurani thutha wayo kuiguithania na thirikari ya Amerika ya kececeni ya guthaitira raia Amerika aria manginyitana na murimu uyu iria itanyitwo gwakwo kambi-ini ya mbirarũ ya Nanyuki kaunti-ini ya Laikipia. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.